It's legitimately almost comical how good of a question this is, and I am once again gonna have to split it into two. How to handle scene transitions and how to handle POV shift transitions. I'm gonna start with the latter because I think it's a bit simpler. So when you're writing a story from multiple points of view, there is only one time, and I do mean one time, when you need to shift characters. And that is when the scene you want to write would be more interesting from the point of view of a different character, if they know more, if they have different emotions about what's happening. For example, if you have a character who is injured, you can either tell the story from their point of view about how it feels to be injured, or if their party has somebody who cares about them a lot, you could instead display their distress. It's up to you to decide which of these two sides of the same coin is going to be more interesting to the reader and which is going to support the rest of your story better. Ironically, that is also the best way to test if your story needs multiple points of view or not. If it's one character that affects the plot more than anybody else, it's probably best to stick to one POV. If there are multiple plot lines or multiple driving forces to the plot line, that's when you need multiple. But the same logic that applies to choosing how many POVs you need applies to choosing when to swap them. I hope that answers your question. I'll see you in part 10.